Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of the most enchanting destinations on Earth, Bhutan. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, this small kingdom is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply seeking a peaceful escape, Bhutan has something special for everyone. Let's start our exploration in Poro, home to the iconic Poro Toksang, also known as the Tiger's Nest Monastery. Perched on a cliffside, this stunning structure offers not only a glimpse into Bhutanese spirituality, but also a rewarding hike that will leave you in awe of the panoramic views. As you ascend, take a moment to breathe in the crisp mountain air and appreciate the beauty surrounding you. Next, we'll head to Thimphu, the vibrant capital city. Here, you can immerse yourself in the unique blend of tradition and modernity. Visit the majestic Tashicho Jong, a fortress that houses the throne room of the King of Bhutan. Stroll through the bustling weekend market, where you can taste local delicacies and shop for handcrafted souvenirs. The warmth of the locals will make you feel right at home. Don't miss a trip to Punakha, where the stunning Punakha Jong stands at the confluence of two rivers. This architectural marvel is not only a sight to behold, but also a significant cultural site. The serene surroundings and the sound of flowing water create a perfect backdrop for reflection and tranquility. For those seeking adventure, the lush valleys of Bhutan offer fantastic trekking opportunities. Explore ancient temples and monasteries, and witness the vibrant festivals that celebrate Bhutan's rich heritage. Each step you take will connect you deeper to the land and its people. As we wrap up our journey, remember that Bhutan is not just a destination, it's an experience that touches the soul. The kindness of its people, the stunning landscapes, and the deep-rooted traditions will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Thank you for joining me on this virtual adventure. If you're inspired to explore Bhutan or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and tips. Until next time, happy travels!